Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to create a professional Instagram business page in just a few easy steps. We'll be focusing on creating a new professional account, which gives you access to valuable business tools and insights. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your phone and log into your existing account or create a new one. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Step 3. Tap the three lines in the top right corner. Step 4. Scroll down and look for Account Type in Tools, or search for Professional Account in the Settings search bar. Step 5. You'll see two options: Switch to Professional Account for converting your existing personal account, or Create New Professional Account. Tap on Create New Professional Account to set up a fresh business page. Step 6. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your business profile. Select your business category, add contact information, and link to your Facebook page if desired. Step 7. Complete your business profile by adding a profile picture, bio, website link, and start creating content relevant to your business. And that's it. Your Instagram business page is now set up. Make sure to explore the professional dashboard where you can access insights, promotions, and other business tools to help grow your online presence. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Instagram business tips. Thanks for watching.